of this consoling group, Mr. Valfredo A. from Arosi Consoling. And there are others who have already been a great source of encouragement to them, like late Carmel, Ollie, Rosario, Edmund, Donald, and many others who had been a part of their recovery. May God bless their souls and may they enjoy the eternal bliss in heaven. This group also has encouraged women alcoholics, which is a very encouraging thing which began this year through the instrumentality of by Barb Rocozine, who is also instrumental for encouraging women to come together and share their feelings. It's good. I will congratulate them. Sister Escosiana was from Cavilosi, who is working in consulting. It's a very wonderful occasion as the AA, as a friend of AA, I am here invited to bless the occasion of 90th Founders Day of AA. And the consoling group has done a wonderful thing. Lot of friends and well-wishers have come who are very supportive and encouraging. And I also pray a very good reputation for this group so that they help one another, encourage one another. And it's on an occasion that they celebrate the 48th anniversary of Consoling Group, which is also very fortunate that many have come and support one another, encourage one another. May God bless them.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.